All right, everybody, and welcome to Desert Shores. We are just north of Summerlin, and this is a community that has some beautiful lakes, parks, and stuff like that. So we just got done touring this property for a client that's actually out of state. So I figure let's just do a property tour. I want to get your guys' feedback. So this is a gated neighborhood, and it's located in a master plan community. Like I said, Desert Shores. So this property right here was built in 1990. It is 3,049 square feet. Property features 4 bedrooms and a den. The asking price on here is $749,000. So you can see we have a 3-car garage. Landscaping is fully mature. So this home right here definitely has been renovated. Some paint stuff has been done. You got some discoloration on the exterior of the paint right here. And I do love the stucco. It looks like you have a nice 2-layer on the stucco here. Let's go inside. Original front door. And that's been painted. As we come on in, let's take a look at this thing. There we go. So you have the 12 by 12 on the porcelain tile here. This is going to be your formal dining. Now the formal dining is 12 by 10. Get you guys a better angle here. Looks like they painted a 2-tone paint on here. Nice light gray and standard 2 inches on the baseboards. You have a drop right here in your family room. Nice door that takes you out to the back. High vaulted ceilings. A lot of windows. Let me take you guys out to the back real quick. Let's see what's going on here. What's great about this lake community here, I think they got a total of 2 lakes. I don't remember. Decent sized backyard, that's for sure. So on Desert Shores, they have a total of 3 fingers. Hear the birds, nice and let's take a walk this way. The lot size on here, 8,712 square feet. Definitely the fascia boards, you can see a lot of the eaves. Paint is peeling off. What do we got on this side here? Got the pool pump, original air conditioning units. Looks like they ran some direct TV or something here. Let's go back in the inside. You got the view fencing here. Looks right into your neighbor's house or the backyard. So the HOAs in this community, 150 total. Oh, did I just lock myself? Oh no, you big dummy. Wrong door. Oh my gosh. If you guys want more information about this property, go ahead and click in the link in the description below. Let me just put this iPad down for just a second here. Let's take a look at the living room kitchen combo. Put your little round table here. It's really nice. I felt like they just kind of came in here and just did some paint, clean everything up, and it's for sale. As far as like location and price point, it's not bad for what you get. I do love this little window bay here. I love that aqua blue that just reflects off this camera. You got the built-in couple dings here and there on the refrigerator. This is definitely where you're going to spend most of your time. You got a brand new carpet. This carpet is actually inserted in the middle of the living room, or the family room, whatever you want to call it. Let me know in the comments below. Would you consider this the family room or the living room? Because this is where you spend most of your time. I'm going to say the family room. Now, homes that were built in this time period in the early 90s, you do have the unique bar. This looks like the original countertops. So we got a bedroom down here. This bedroom looks like a 12 by 12. Nine-foot ceilings on the first floor. What do we have here? What do they do here? So it looks like you got a brand new toilet, original cabinets. This looks like the original granite here. Brand new fixtures. Oh, they definitely did the three-quarter shower. I love how they angled this right here in this three-quarter shower. That's actually a pretty good idea. I'm gonna have to bite this if I ever rehab a property again. Love that soapbox right there. Actually, this soapbox makes sense where it's not positioned down the middle because you have this little bench seat. I do love that. Good call on that. Show you this thermostat real quick. So this thermostat is powered by NV Energy. So basically they have a smart thermostat that they'll actually give you to help and preserve electricity, right? And keep the cost of your electricity low. Also, what I like about NV Energy is that they have, it's not a statement, but they send you an audit like every month, and they show you exactly how much power you are using. And I realized the most expense when it comes to power is actually the air conditioning. And it showed you the percentage of what you use. Now this is a 3-car garage, and it looks like they originally had a water heater here. That water heater was removed and replaced with this Rheem. Okay. Also, homes in this time period, you'll notice that the furnace is on the, or actually inside the garage. Now, I do like this back in the day when I used to work as an AC technician, because the installs are so much easier versus being inside the attic when it was like 120 degrees. That used to drive me insane. So basically, this is how it works. All the hot air comes through here. It sucks up through this blower motor. You do have the coils here. Actually, the coils are up here, I'm sorry. It blows up through here, through the coils. And from the coils here, right, sends all the cold air up that way. This is just your exhaust. Here is your primary line, your drain line, because of the condensation. Here's your gas. You do have your power, the 110. That powers this unit right here. Also, this gas has a small little furnace in here that it heats up, and basically this blows hot air into your home too as well. Now, I haven't done air conditioning work for like more than like 17, 20 years or something like that. It's been quite some time. But as far as like the fundamentals are all still there. Looks like the banister has been painted. I learned something today when you can really see the grain in here. Right, when they paint this over, this tells you that this was actually oak, because oak is very grainy. I don't know how true that it is. Let me know in the comments below. But you always learn something, right? As we make our way upstairs, we have a bonus room here, primary there, and look at the view from here. Gorgeous, right? Let's go take a look at the primary. Floors are a little bit squeaky. I will have a link in the description below for all the measurements. Love the fact that you have all those windows. Alright, so they definitely redid the bathroom. 12 by 24 tile, original jacuzzi tub, see-through fireplace, and brand new shower. Now on this one, they have a 3/4 on the glass, which is really nice and thick. Love that. That's going to be about almost $1,200 for that. Original cabinets, original countertops. There's your walk-in closet. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. See if I can. Nope, not working. See if I can get it on this angle. Here we go. Couldn't find the light. Looking a little bit fresh today. I love the hairdo. You know, some days you just feel good. Today's just one of them days. All right. Brand new toilet. All right, let's make our way to this little loft area. Another thermostat there. Original cabinets. Painted. Here's kind of like your den office. I love the ceiling line. It's really nice. Nice and bright. Your sun exposure is going to be more on this side. Here's the south side of the home. I'm going to make our way here to the bathroom. Nice high countertops. What did they do to the tub here? Okay, the light is not working. Alrighty then. Very squeaky, the floors. Plywood definitely needs to be screwed back on, that's for sure. Let's come back this way. Turn you guys back around. Original windows here. I don't think these are dual pane windows, but I don't think it has a low E on here. Here's one of the fingers for the lakes here, which is really nice. If I live here, I definitely want to live on the lakeside, that beachfront. That's where you're gonna get most of your value. They tend to go like $20, $30 a square foot more pricier out here. Let me know what your thoughts are about this property, if you can see yourselves living here. Other than that, I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day.
Did you like that video home tour? Are you a fan of this channel and you want to get plugged into the real estate market? Well, I got something for you. We have a new channel, real estate, vlogs, Las Vegas lifestyle, behind the scenes, financing, flipping, commercial properties, interviews, local businesses, Chakits Krulsawat 2.0. Check it out.